Good morning, A-Land family. It's 10 a.m. here in the UAE, and it's time for your daily dose of A-Land time. We've handpicked today's hottest investment opportunities from across the globe. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or just settling in, let's dive into the top 10 ways you can make your money work harder for you today. Dubai's luxury real estate. The market's on fire. Dubai's ultra-luxury real estate market is scorching hot right now. Iconic developments like Palm Jumeirah are seeing record-breaking sales. If you've ever dreamed of owning a piece of paradise, now's the time to make your move as property values continue to climb. Greece, the new frontier for renewable energy. Greece is rapidly becoming the go-to destination for renewable energy investments. With the EU's focus on sustainability, Greece is turning its abundant sunshine and winds into profits, making it a top spot for green energy investors looking to make a positive impact while securing strong returns. Germany, industrial real estate is booming. Germany's industrial real estate sector is where the action's at. The rise of e-commerce has fueled a demand for top-tier logistics centers, especially in cities like Frankfurt and Berlin. If you're looking for a high-return investment, this is a market you don't want to miss. Switzerland, the hub of high-tech innovation. Switzerland is on the cutting edge of technology, and investors are taking notice, with record investments in biotech, fintech, and AI. Switzerland continues to be a magnet for those looking to ride the wave of the next big technological breakthrough. UK, green bonds gaining serious momentum. The UK's green bond market is expanding fast as more investors look to align their portfolios with environmental sustainability. With strong government backing, green bonds are quickly becoming the smart choice for those who want to make a difference and a profit. Portugal, real estate market thrives amid tourism boom. Portugal's real estate market is buzzing thanks to a surge in tourism and the Golden Visa program's ongoing success. From the vibrant streets of Lisbon to the serene Algarve coast, there are endless opportunities to invest in both residential and commercial properties. Japan, tech investment hits new highs. Japan is setting new records in tech investments, particularly in robotics and AI. The government's push for innovation is opening up exciting new avenues for investors who are ready to dive into the future. Oman, tourism and hospitality ready to soar. Oman's tourism and hospitality sector is about to take off, with the government's Vision 2040 leading the charge. From luxury resorts to eco-tourism projects, Oman is right for investors looking to get in on the ground floor of this emerging market. Canada, green energy investments on the rise. Canada's renewable energy sector is booming, with significant investments flowing into wind, solar, and hydroelectric projects. The country's strong commitment to green energy makes it an attractive market for those focused on sustainability. India, real estate and infrastructure growing rapidly. India is fast becoming a global hotspot for real estate and infrastructure investments. Mega projects in cities like Mumbai and Delhi are attracting significant international attention, making India an essential destination for investors seeking high returns. That's your A-Land time update for today. Remember, every investment is a step toward building the future you've always dreamed of, and A-Land is here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're considering luxury real estate, tech innovation, or green energy, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. Check back tomorrow at 10 a.m. UAE for more updates, and visit A-Land for deeper insights and tailored advice. Let's seize the day together.